Did you know it can take hours to prepare a whole chicken? But what if I told you you can make this super tasty soy sauce chicken in just 30 minutes?
Stick around and let me show you how. Welcome to CiCi Asian Home Cooking. Soy sauce chicken is a classic Chinese dish. It's one of the must-eat dishes during every holiday and celebration. Are you ready? Let's get started!
In a pot over high heat, add the oil, ginger, garlic, and scallions. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Then add the sugar and stir fry until melted for another 30 seconds. Followed by the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, water, cinnamon, and star anise. Bring it to a boil. We are using Cornish game hens today. They're known for their exceptional tender meat and small size, which allows for a cooking time of less than 30 minutes. You can also replace them with other types. Over low heat, transfer the Cornish game hens to the pot, the back side down. Cover the pot with a lid and cook for 10 minutes.
As you may already know, I'm a mom of 2 girls, so I don't have a lot of extra time, which is why I believe cooking should be quick, easy, and tasty, even for a feast. If you like this type of quick and easy holiday recipes, please give it a thumbs up.
Uncover the pot, turn the Cornish game hens to breast side down, and cover the pot with the lid. Continue to cook for another 10 minutes. If your chicken is heavier, add a few more minutes.
There is a Chinese saying, 无鸡不成宴. It's not a feast without the chicken. So please comment below and let me know what is one dish you always have in your holiday feast.
Over high heat, uncover the pot and reduce the sauce for about 3 minutes. Constantly pour the sauce over the Cornish game hens. As the sauce reduces, the chicken will take on a beautiful soy sauce color. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This whole process took about 30 minutes, leaving you plenty of time to enjoy the holidays with your friends and family. It will be sure to become a staple in your holiday gatherings.
This is absolutely delicious. It is so juicy, tender, and aromatic. I love it. If you also like to make teriyaki chicken in just 30 minutes, check out the video right here. So good. So please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.